How to log in to Life360 account. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, all you have to do is install your Life360 app in your device using your Play Store or App Store. Once installed, just tap open your Life360. You will see an interface like this. Just tap on the Get Started bubble. Now in here you need to enter your phone number to link with your account, so go ahead and do that. Select on the continue option. Next step, go ahead and tap on send code to receive an OTP code. Wait for your OTP code to arrive. Once you enter your unique OTP code, you'll be able to enter into your Life360 account. You will get to select your role in your Life360 circle, and also you will receive an unique invite code that you can share with a friends or your family member to add them in your Life360 circle. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.